guys, what is poppin'? We are out here in the yard today. It is actually New Year's Day, but you guys probably won't see this till the day after New Year's. So what we are doing is we are going to look at
our floods.
yes.
2021.
The first day of 2021 has bring us floods. Like, look at this, guys.
But back here, look how,
Literally, look how deep that is.
and this is a normal pathway.
And this is just a normal pathway.
We use it every day. And it just,
Literally.
If y'all say it, it sounds like 2021. Like
2021.
it beat 2020.
Yeah.
Like it's the winter sucking.
Yeah.
Let's go up to that creek. Guys, if y'all watch our
We
normal
got a creek right there.
YouTube videos, we never have a creek flowing.
Yeah,
down.
you guys should know that from like,
Old YouTube videos.
yeah.
Right, we never have a creek just
This,
flowing down
we've never had a creek just flowing down here. Like, look. Literally. Look at this. It's actually kind of like strong. Like, look at that.
I bet we can get our toy guys and come down here and trout fish with them.
Yeah, that'd be fun, wouldn't it? Look at this, guys.
Alright, look how deep this is. Guys, this ain't even bad compared to earlier when I came out here by myself. We're way deep.
Yeah.
This is actually pretty strong.
This is coming from where we ride our foolers right there.
Up there, yeah. And we actually, if y'all see old videos,
We actually think this used to be a creek.
well, not you will think, but we know.
Look at that hole,
Well, we
Avery.
do have a drain system. Let's go check that out.
Actually, right here. He's gonna walk in through that way. I'm walking through the gate.
This is super deep. So,
Step in it.
just gonna skirt on the edge and get it set.
Step in it.
First, I'm gonna step in this. If y'all know from normal four-wheeler riding videos, we never have this mud hole here.
Deep.
Let's get deeper. So I was like, comment down below if you remember this, because we've never had it.
This is like one of the biggest floods we've ever had. You guys haven't even seen the creek yet.
You see this
The
stick?
creek is like flooded so bad.
Guys, look at this stick. Ready?
Okay, bro. We all know you
Fake,
tried to break that.
but- Okay.
That was like the fakest clickbaitest thing ever. Like you were literally standing beside it.
I'm trying to shove it down. I'd like if I had like a
RC boat,
yeah,
like a tiny one, or RC four-wheeler. That'd be perfect.
I'd like to have an RC John boat.
Or a bicycle. That'd be fun. Like a normal bicycle.
Yeah, but it would hurt when you rode down it.
All right, guys. We'll see you guys once we're down at the creek. So, guys, if you remember from our four-wheeler, not the best day ever, the best news, I think.
Yeah.
This is our four-wheeler trail.
Or
Kinda
best day
grown up.
ever.
Yeah, best day ever.
And look how deep this is. This used to be our bike trail.
Yeah, or four-wheeler trail.
We would do some more holes, but why then you don't want to walk down it?
Yeah, it's just about this all the way down. See?
But there's a big waterfall. If we get 10,
We'll walk down to the waterfall. I'll see you guys once we're down there.
If we get 10 thumbs up, we'll do a part 2 on the waterfall. Oh wait, there might not be a part 2 because it might dry up. Let's go down.
Yeah, we'll just walk down to it. I'll see you guys once we're at it. Actually, at the waterfall now, there's one part, and then you guys, this is a waterfall. This
We actually
is
believe
a waterfall there.
Indians used to use this for them to get their hands, wash their hands, and wash off their face.
Yeah, there is actually a hole up under that, right there. And it's like this big. We think water used to come out of it. You guys,
That's all not deep.
it's not really that deep.
No, I'm right.
Oh, right there.
Down there.
Oh, all right. Walk across, guys. Risky. There's a basketball, guys.
Let's try to at least get down here safe. We already seen our businesses before, but it's actually cheaper last time we came down. Well, it was actually shallower. We came down here. Let's walk in this hole right here.
There is another hole right down here.
which I am stepping in.
Why don't you just walk around this trail?
Alright, so it's about half my boot all the way down. So there's that waterfall right there. Basketball, should we get that for Auburn?
No.
Let's wait till it
It's
dries
like a
up.
flat.
Let's wait till it dries up.
So
Let's go this way.
I'm showing him this hole. So this is another hole. It looks really deep. I don't know how deep it is. We haven't been to this one yet.
I'll grab a stick and check it.
He's gonna grab a stick.
I remember this hole. Remember we had to get that.
Is it deep?
Yeah.
How deep?
So about to see. Yes, sir. That deep all the way across.
Holy crap, that is deep.
You know, you don't want to fall in that sucker right there, boys.
Yeah. I'll see you guys once we're right over there. Here, we're actually at the hunting blind where we hunt deer right there.
It's actually dried up a lot.
It's actually dried up about 2 feet since the last time we came down here. But here it is. Is it about 3 feet right there?
About 5 feet in the middle.
About 5 feet in the middle. It goes all the way
There used to
down
be
there.
a bank, like right there.
Yeah, there used to be a bank of brown right here.
And it was like 2 feet across, but now.
I'm gonna give you guys a far view of it.
Can I get some television?
No, Abe. Once you're up there, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Once he's up there, I give him my phone. Alright guys, I'm gonna stop the video until he gets up there.
Alright, we're actually up here. We got down there. Then all, if y'all can see, right, down, right, wait, right, there, up there, right, the glare above my fingers. That used to be where his blind was. We've got a big flood all around this. Alright, catch y'all when we're at the other part of the creek.
Guys, so we're actually on our way down here. That, you'll know what that is if you've watched going to the mud hole on four-wheelers.
Water right here.
Yeah, the water was up to that line right there. It was a lot higher earlier. Like, you literally had to go to the edge of this bank with sticks just to see how deep it is. But,
Right there. Drop off.
this is the start of 2021 right here.
And I brought this log in.
Alright, watch this, guys.
Grab the log. Yeet it out there. What? Going away.
There it
Watch
goes.
this. Got a nice wood piece of a log. I'll put it right here. Leave that. Look at that. Where'd it go?
I know.
Imagine if I was in there.
Yeah.
Look at that.
So guys, we're actually gonna walk over there and show you.
Oh,
Right there, he's throwing a rock. That's about, it used to be about 2 inches deep. And that used to be around maybe a foot.
yeah, you could just walk down that. There's a bank.
Yeah. Now,
It's up to our RC trail.
it's deep.
Oh, yeah.
This used to be water earlier. You might be able to tell because the ground's wet, but that used to be water earlier. This used to be all underwater.
Well, not all about that deep. See, look, you can actually see water right there.
But
See? That is, see, it used to be like this. It's all the way right there.
yeah, it used to be, it's like that, except all the way up to the mud hole. We'll actually show you how deep this is. Right here.
Let me walk in.
We actually wanted to ride through this, but our mom said no with four-wheelers. We'd have made a video about that. It doesn't even get deeper than our boots. Except for right here, it's the deepest it gets. There's not even a current, look.
You sure our four-wheelers can make it through this?
I mean, it's not any deeper than it was before.
Remember, it gets.
See? Oh, you good? Oh, there's a stick.
You guys just dropped off right there.
So guys, I'm halfway through. And I'm through, guys. I was actually almost to the top of my boots. So I know this bank goes out there pretty far. You good?
Yeah, I want to throw this in at one part, not right here though.
Throw it in right there.
We're going to throw it in at that big waterfall over there.
Throw it in right here, because it'll go down to the waterfall.
Then we have to cross that to see it.
Just throw it.
I want to see it go down the waterfall.
Alright.
I'm not walking through that again.
I will.
I'm just not walking around here.
Alright, we'll just walk around this. We'll see you guys once we're at the waterfall.
We'll get a stick right here. So we're just going to throw it in.
We'll just see you guys when we're at the... Well, never mind. He's going to throw this.
Ready?
There it is, guys. That's some fast moving water, if you ask me. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys once we're at that waterfall. Hey, guys. We are at the waterfall.
Let's throw this in. 3,
2, 1. There it is, guys. It's actually cut under right there. That's crazy, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the end of the video. See you guys next time.